Dave Robinson with PlantCoverCrops.com. We're looking now at a different mixture of annual ryegrass, crimson clover, and cover crop radishes. This mixture had heavier amounts of annual ryegrass with lesser amounts of crimson clover and radishes than what we saw in our previous video. Want to look at here, this was also pre-mixed seed that was sold or put together, and on this mix again we were down to less than 2 pounds of radishes, and just wanted to kind of look at the difference of what that looks like in our field here. We've got two different side-by-side rows here. On this row here we have a radish here, and we have a radish, well, that'd be the only one in that 36 inches is this radish right here. However, on this row right here, we've got a radish here, radish here, here, and here, and no radish up here. So 3 radishes within 36 inches, 1 radish within 36 inches. And again, we like the radishes because they're good nutrient storage vessels. They help break up compaction quite well. At the same time, we know annual ryegrass does some great things as well. We've got a little less crimson clover in this mixture, less radishes in this mixture, more annual ryegrass. Again, this might look like a lesser expensive mixture than the other mixture, but we're not getting quite as much nitrogen produced and not maybe holding quite as many nutrients. We can see here in this 36 inches, we've got 4 radishes here, 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 and here. So again, about 9 inches apart, 36 inches apart, and 12 inches apart. So as we're looking at different seeding rates between more crimson and more radish versus a little more on the annual ryegrass, personally I kind of like what I'm seeing from the other, but the nice thing is out in this plot this year we're going to be able to take yield samples. We're going to be able to take get an idea of what the corn looks like as it's growing, and so forth. So we're actually going to be able to tell some stories out here from which mixture seems to give on these types of soils in 2011 growing conditions, which one seems to give us the best amount of production. Again, there's no silver bullets on what mix is necessarily the best, but I think it's very important for us that we do this kind of research, and we're going to try to come back in this fall, replicate across the field the exact same mixtures, and come back again next year and look at different crops. Again, Dave Robinson with PlantCoverCrops.com on March 21st, 2011.